Today I'm making mini monkey bread cups. First I'm going to make the coating for the bread, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of melted butter. Next I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar. Then add 1/4 of a cup of light corn syrup. Next add a half a cup of chopped pecans. Mix that up until it's combined and then put this to the side for later. Now I have a French baguette on a cutting board. I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Next I'm going to add the bread into the bowl. And mix that up until the bread is coated in the mixture. Now I have a lined muffin pan. I'm going to add scoops of the monkey bread into the muffin pan and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Once the mini monkey bread was done, I added them to a tray, and here's an up-close look.